Photo, video.
I want to thank mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn bàbá mi àti màmá mi, àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àti àwọn àbúrò díẹ̀ tí mo ní tó wà níbí àti àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi. I want to really appreciate you for this great opportunity that I had to come and talk. Mo dúpẹ́ nítorí pé ẹ wò pé ọmọ kékeré yẹn, that small girl. Mo dẹ̀ nígbàgbọ́ pé ìdí tó mú yín láti fi pè mí wá síbí. We will not regret it today by the grace of God. And I want to tell you that you're going to learn a lot. You have known a lot at Morgan because I said, that is there already. But I want to use my little wisdom to open some things to you so that you'll be better photographers. I am a photographer myself. But you may not believe it, I'm a photographer, but I am not, you may not see me in your midst, but I take pictures, I love pictures, so we are together. Mo mú ìkíni wá láti ibi tí mo ti ṣiṣẹ́ àti láti ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀gá mi náà. Mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa creative photographer. Please, I'll be mixing it. Creative photographer, a photographer that can bring something new out of old. A photographer that can think outside the box and just look out. You see, as I sat there, I was imagining. Bí mo ṣe jókòó yẹn, mo imagine oríṣiríṣi. Gbogbo bá ṣe ń ṣe, gbogbo mo kàn ń picture. That is the work of a photographer. Who is a photographer? A photographer is a storyteller. Àwọn photographer wọ́n jẹ́ ẹni tó ń sọ ìtàn. Until we see ourselves as storyteller, we will not be creative. Tábà kan wòra wa pé ṣebí kí n kàn ya. Ó yá ìdúró ẹ káwọ́ yín sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Ẹ ṣorí báyìí. We cannot be good. People will not prefer us. Again, something kan fún wa lẹ́nìí o. The world wants something new. Ayé yìí, ó ń fẹ́ ohun titun tí ènìyàn ò rí rí. I want you to listen to me very well. Èmi tí mo dúró yìí, I want something new. I have a lot of programs I do personally before I even get to where I am. I do not call anyhow photographer. I call photographer that is creative. When I'm talking to you, I tell you what I want, and I will tell you to tell me what you want to give me. Tẹ́ bá ṣe sọ, màá sọ tí mo fẹ́ fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí photographer. Màá wá ní ó yá sọ fún mi nǹkan tí wàá ṣe. Inú nǹkan tó bá ń sọ á ti jẹ́ kí n rí pé you are creative. Ṣẹ́rí ayé ta wà yìí, àwọn èèyàn ó ti tó gẹ́ẹ́ bí ó ti wà ní àtètèkọ́ṣe. Ó ń bẹ ní ìsìn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ṣe máa rí, ó ti tó. The world wants something good. Now, ẹ má jẹ́ kí a rò pé a ti dàgbà. Èmi ti dàgbà, a ti dórí ìgbì. No. Ohun táwọn òyìnbó fi yàtọ̀ sí wa nìyẹn. Tá bá rí òyìnbó àgbàlagbà, you will see how creative they are. Ìdí ni tí mo ṣe fẹ́ fún wa ní àwọn point. Báwo la ṣe lè wà creative? A photographer is a preserver. Kí ni mo mean by preserver? Àwọn tó ń fi nǹkan pamọ́ títí ayérayé. Your work is eternal. Iṣẹ́ yín títí ayérayé ni. Iṣẹ́ yín wà so important that ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa mọ̀ how important the work of a photographer is. Tí èèyàn bá kú, my father died now 10 years ago. Tó bá ṣe mí bákan, màá tún gbé picture. I will look at him. I will look at his corpse. I will shed tears and I will be okay. Iṣẹ́ yín as photographer is till eternity. Àmọ́ tí ẹ ò bá wá lè fi sọ ìtàn bí mo ṣe kọ́kọ́ sọ kò ní make meaning. Mo fẹ́ ya, please can you come here? Mo fẹ́ ya broy photographer ni mi ẹ dúró báyìí. Ẹ kọjú sí mi, ẹ ṣe fìlà yín sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan, kò tí ì dá tó, iye káwọ́ sí mi. Mo kàn ya wọ́n bọ́ ṣe wà. Mi ì sọ ìtàn kankan nípa wọn. But tí n bá sọ fún wọn pé ẹ ṣe fìlà yín báyìí, kẹ́ wá dúró báyìí. Mo ti ń sọ ìtàn kan. Wọ́n kàn dúró. You must look at all expression so that táwọn kan bá wo picture yẹn wọ́n á wò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí mo ya picture yìí, ìyẹn là ń pè ní ìtàn. Photographer tó bá kàn ya picture tí kò ní ìtàn, á ṣe anything. Tá bá lọ bí ìkómọ, ẹ má kàn ya ọmọ ń sùn, a kàn ya bẹ́ẹ̀. No, ẹ wá ibi tọ́mọ yẹn ti ṣe, ibi tọ́mọ yẹn ti rẹ́rìn, ibi tọ́mọ yẹn ti ṣe, snap it. Kẹwàá kó gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. It's a story. Nǹkan tí ó máa wùyàn wò ó nìyẹn. Kò kí n ṣe pé ọmọ kan sọ kàn jújú kan. Kí ni yẹn mean? Tọ́mọ ò bá move ẹ tì í sílẹ̀ kó move you want to snap you. Tí ò bá dẹ̀ move ẹ mú ọwọ́ ẹ mú síbi kan. You are storyteller. Tẹ́ bá lọ fún wedding, storyteller. Ẹ má kàn yà wọ́n fi òrùka sọ́wọ́ wọn pín. No, make sure you come to an angle to pick the hand and the ring. Wọ́n ní rójú àwọn tó tiẹ̀ ń tán ṣe wedding. At the end of the day, wọ́n máa bèrè pé ìka wo ni. By the time they are checking, you are coming from the finger and the ring and the hand to another, and you see the beautiful face. Oh, this is the beautiful lady. You are storytellers. You preserve images. What makes a photographer? Make a photographer tackle so this is a photographer. I'm going to give you 3 things quickly, then I move to my last point. 3 things make a photographer. Number 1, creativity. The use of imagination. The use of original ideas to create something. If you want to be a good photographer, you must be creative. You must not be a copycat. Because so person, you saw the picture, but the time you want to take your own shot another time, that shot will come to you. You want to have a shot there? No, you can never be creative. You can never be a good photographer. A good photographer must be able to think and reason. Shots, different shots. So you must be creative. You must have creative eyes. You must give meaning to pictures. Also, part of your creativity, you must give attention to the outfit, makeup, poses of your clients. Ṣẹ́rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa, tí bá rí àwọn pictures kan níta, máa wá béèrè pé ṣé photographer ló ya ẹni yìí or what? You know why? Makeup yẹn á fi sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan. I expect us as photographers to be creative. Tell you know what I'm saying. Tẹ́bá ṣe ń wo camera yín, you are not only focusing on the head of ẹ̀yà, no. You must pay attention to every detail. Madam, ẹ ti ń sweat níwájú orí yín ẹnu. Madam, makeup yín ò dé ibi irun orí yín. Ṣé ti bá rí picture mi, makeup yẹn wá dàbẹ̀ ni pé ẹni yẹn lo mask, ó wá ṣe round báyìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀gbẹ́ etí kò sí anything, àádẹ́ ìyá bẹ́ẹ̀. You cannot be good like that. You must pay attention to every detail and then their posture. Let me move quickly. I know our time is not much. Appearance. What makes a photographer? Your appearance. As a photographer, I have been in occasion that I see photographer mishandled. When I come back, want to handle photographer anyhow. You know I'm beaming. I want my money. You can't handle my children anyhow because they are photographer. What? Photographer. You cannot handle them. You must give them their food on time. You must treat them the way you will treat others. They want your photographer or me be there. What a stupid thing. Or shall me blame one? And what does that target photographer? Laun pe ara wa be. Wọ́n ní really see. Only ṣe ni lọ́dọ̀. Charity marry photographer me ní occasion. Man soon because me ní fẹ́ kó tiẹ̀ kàn mí. Because tó bá kọjá òun tó máa kọ́kọ́ jáde. Ṣé ẹ̀yin nìkan ni photographer? A photographer, your appearance must be very. Ask, Tabi is there, you can ask him. I have someone with me. When I came, I told the person, I said, why change your dressing? Change your dressing if you're following me out. No. But dress well. Be smart. Photographer will tell you, need a short lacing. No, you must be smart. So that when you come out, you want to snap once a cool on a point. Your appearance makes you a good photographer, so watch it. Aṣọ tabawo ẹ má jẹ́ ká bí ẹ wá ti wá dọ̀tí. Like some people I always see, I will look at them like, why are you painting us like this? I'm a media person. I don't like that. So your appearance will make people accept you or people reject you. Your relationship. Báwo ni ìbáṣepọ̀ wa pẹ̀lú àwọn clients wa? Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ photographers ò ní ìbáṣepọ̀ tó dánmọ́rán. Ẹlòmíì máa bínú ṣáá ni. You must not be someone who is taken to anger. You must be a jovial, a loving person. And then you must be able to advise your client. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ lè sọ òtítọ́ fún client yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe yìí kò ní pay yín. Let me move quickly to the last part. How can you be a more creative photographer? Number one, báwo la ṣe lè jẹ́ photographer tó wà more creative ní àsìkò tá a wà yìí? Number one, have a goal. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ní goal, ká ní ìfojúsùn wípé kí ni ìdí tí mo ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ best photographer? Why do I want to be the best in time like this? Then ibo ni mò ń lọ? Ẹni tí ò bá ní reason may not have a goal, but wọ́n tó bá ní reason, you are going to press on. You make sure that you do everything to be the best. Number two, have a note. For you to be a creative photographer, you must have a note. Kí ni mo mean? Tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ creative photographer, ẹ ní ìwé pélébé kan. Ṣé bí mo ṣe wà yìí? I'm a singer, olórin ni mí, I'm a writer. I am everything. Ibikíbi ni nǹkan ti lè bá mi. Even though you quickly jot it down. If you want to be creative, if you don't have a note, you will forget. Oríwá yìí, ó ní ibi tó lè gba nǹkan mọ́. So have a note and write down your thoughts, your ideas. And then, number three, go extra mile. Kí ni mo mean by that? Ẹ jẹ́ ká bóyá ẹsẹ̀ kan là ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ẹsẹ̀ mẹ́ta àbí mẹ́rin. Go extra mile. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí ibi tá a wà kó tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn. Learn how to flow with the new technology. Ṣé rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa àti make up mind wa wípé ẹ fi yókù lẹ́bọ̀ mọ̀. Àwọn ọmọ wa ni no. Take another step. Go extra mile. Technology ta ní sẹ́yìn náà ẹ kọ́. Call your children, call other photographers who know how to handle it. You too, try it. Another point, join a photographer club like you are. But photographer club tí mo ń sọ, kò kí ń ṣe èyí tí wọ́n ti máa mú aṣọ fún ẹgbẹ́ o. Kò kí ń ṣe èyí tí wọ́n máa pè tí wọ́n máa parí ìjà gbogbo gbà o. I'm talking about a photographer club where you can learn new techniques, where you can improve your skills, where you can network, where you can chat and talk about new ideas from abroad, from different nations, and then how do we improve ourselves? Kí ṣe bí tẹ́tí máa parí ìdá lójoojúmọ́. Àbí bí tẹ́tí máa wá ṣáà máa wá ra aṣọ. You don't understand. Ibi tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti jòkó, ẹ wá máa ṣe competition. Ó yẹ jẹ́ àpẹẹrẹ wa sí mẹ́rin. Ó yá you. Ó yá you are going to do a shot. Ẹ ṣe shot kan. Shot ẹni tó fẹ́ pokùnso. Ẹ̀yin ẹ ṣe shot kan. Bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ rescue ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ẹ ṣe shot. Ó yá let us discuss. Ẹ wá máa rub mind. Okay, báwo ni ká ṣe carry shot ẹ̀? That is the club I'm talking about. A club that will improve you. A club that will help you. Then in such a club, ẹ máa ṣe exhibition. Àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ti ṣe, àwọn pictures yín. Ẹ wọ́n máa rọ pé see pictures for group A. See pictures for you will now talk about it. Okay, this is good. How do we improve? Another point for you to be a more creative photographer, be true to yourself. Ẹ jẹ́ olótìtọ́ sí ara yín. Ara yín tí mo ń sọ yìí, ọlọ́dọ̀ ni mo ń sọ o. Ṣé rí bí mo ṣe jẹ́ ọmọ kékeré, bí gbogbo ayé bá ń kàn mí, èmi ò kí ń sanra mi. Ṣé tí n bá lọ bìkan tí wọ́n bá ti ẹ̀mú káwọn èèyàn ló burú jù láyé. Tí wọ́n bá ti sàẹ́ in my heart, màá kàn rẹ́rìn pé ẹ̀rọ àwọn alákòóbá. Me, I will try just come out. If everyone is deceiving you as a photographer, do not deceive yourself. Be true to yourself. What do I mean? Look at your work critically. You go for a share and see how much you have improved. Kẹ́ wo pé ibo ni mo tún ti lè improve sí. Báwo ni mo ṣe ṣe dáadáa níbí? Báwo mo tún lè ṣe sí níbí? And then when you do that, you will see that something will well up from your inside. Ama wo pe, I want to improve more. And then you will do everything possible to improve more. I have a few points more. Do not be jealous of others. When we see others doing well, Emma Jekinu ma biwa. We welcome our mommies and daddies. Okay, as our mommies and daddies are taking their seats, please let's just continue. Do not be jealous of others. Now, compare your work. I want you to say, don't compare. I don't buy that idea. Compare your work. But when you compare, you are comparing to know where you can be better. You are not comparing to be jealous. Do something so that the world will call you. Another point is take a break. Sherry, break in. I want everybody to learn it. Take a break from your work. Some of us, we don't know any other thing apart from photography. Look. Sherry, to be a more creative photographer, one time or the other, you should take a break. Emma fish, Emma fikale. Emma wa lọ nǹkan mi bóyá ìwé láti kà, bóyá láti kọrin, láti ṣe one creative thing. By the time you do that thing, you don't come back to your photography. You will see things differently. Emma rí pé ẹ̀kọ́ tó ń rí iṣẹ́ photography yẹn ní àrà ọ̀tọ̀ nítorí pé ẹ ti take a break. So when you come back, you begin to see new things. So take a break and then come back to your work. I have 3 more points and I will take my seat. For you to be a more creative photographer, make your home stand. I want you to listen to me very well. There's no way you can be creative in any way, in anything you do. Especially for those who are married. You cannot be creative. Creativity ti wá ọpọlọ. Ṣẹ́rí bí tí wọ́n bá ti jòkó tó fẹ́ ronú short báyìí, tó ń wo short báyìí, wàá kàn rí màmá lágbájá. Máa yìí, wàá rí bàbá kìíní kan. Wàá rántí situation ilé. Make sure your home is standing. Àwọn tá a bá ní issues nílé wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká tiraka, ká make sure pé kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní issue, bọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká tiraka láti rí pé àlàáfíà jọba. So that ọkàn wa ó lè papọ̀ lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe. Make sure your home stands. And then put God first. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ fún wa kò sí tá a dà láyé yìí ọ̀tá fẹ́ ṣe láìsí Ọlọ́run a lè ṣe. I'm a Christian. Bible tèmi ó sọ pé Ọlọ́run á tọ́ ìṣiṣẹ́ wa. Mi mọ̀ wíwà ní Quran. Ó ní yóò tọ́ ìṣiṣẹ́ wa. Ó ní òun ló mọ gbogbo ọ̀nà. Ó ní yóò fi ọ̀nà hàn wá. Mi mọ̀ wíwà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó bá tán. Ó ní yóò fi hàn wá. He will show us all things. Gbogbo tí a ò mọ̀. Sherry, for you to be creative, you need God. When you are sleeping at times, God, Ọlọ́run á mú àwọn shot kan wá sójú oorun yín. Ẹ lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn photographers kan. Ọlọ́run á mú shot wá. Tó bá jí báyà ní what? Á dẹ̀ fi pamọ́. Tó bá ya shot yẹn, ó làwọn èèyàn á máa pè. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi Ọlọ́run ṣáájú gbogbo nǹkan tí a bá ń ṣe. And as I round up, mo fẹ́ pè wá to be agents of change. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi sọ fún ẹni tó jókòó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yín, be agent of change. Kí bá lè fẹ́ agent ní Yorùbá? Ẹ bá mi ṣe sí Yorùbá yìí. Ìránṣẹ́ ìyípadà. Ìránṣẹ́ ìyípadà rere. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ jẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ ìyípadà rere. Ibi tí màá ti parí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ni. Tá a bá wọ ayé lénìí, nǹkan tó gba ayé kan jù ó ní immorality, ìṣekúṣe, ìranù, ìwọ̀kuwọ̀, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Ṣé rí àwa photographer? Agbára wà lọ́wọ́ wa láti ran ìjọba lọ́wọ́ àti láti ran ayé yìí lọ́wọ́ láti dẹ́kun ẹ̀. How? Báwo ni? Èmi wá nísìnyí mo fẹ́ ya fọ́tò. Mo ṣí ọmú mi lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ halfway. Lóòótọ́ òun ló lára ẹ̀ náà. Èmi nǹkan ẹ̀mí òun ló lára ẹ̀. But ìwọ èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí irinṣẹ́ ohun tó dára. You can use style. Bible mi sọ pé wisdom is the principal. Ó ní ọgbọ́n la need fún gbogbo. Ó lè lo style. The answer. Maybe you should button up a little. Tẹ́ bá jẹ button yẹn ó máa tún wà òkè gan. Bóyá kẹ̀kàn jẹ méjì. Bóyá kẹ̀kàn. Do you understand? Ẹ jẹ́ ká wọ wisdom. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká torí owó. Torí àwọn yẹn ẹlòmíì lè fún yàn ní 100,000 kán ṣàfihàn ìgbòho ẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ fi sílẹ̀ fún wa lénìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Tí wọ́n bá wá bá photographer àwọn mọ́mì. Tí mọ́mì sọ pé àǹtí iṣẹ́ lè ṣe bọ́tìn báyìí, iṣẹ́ lè ṣe báyìí, tó bínú kúrò, tó lọ bá dádì. Tí dáì sọ pé, ọmọ mi, báyìí, tó lọ bá ń kú tán kú ní, hey babe, can you just do this? At the end of the day, yóò padà síbì kan náà ni, á dẹ̀ padà dé bọ́tìn. Wọ́n gbà tó bá kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ mi, tó kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ìdá, tó kúrò lọ́dọ̀ òun tó wá báyìí mi, tèmi wá yìí, kò tán. Let us join our hands together to build our children. Ayé ti bàjẹ́. I beg you in the name of God. Àwọn tá a bá wà ní Facebook, ẹ máa rí pé ayé ti bàjẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ wọn yá sí ikú wọn kalẹ̀, wọ́n á ya oyún báyìí. Láì wọ nǹkan kan. Mo rí kan bóyá 2 weeks ago, even for wọ pants, kò wọ bra, ó kàn fọwọ́ ṣe báyìí. Ó dẹ̀ pàṣẹ ẹ̀kọ́, oyún ẹ̀ dẹ̀ tó. Ó dẹ̀ ya picture, photographer. Àbí ṣé ó kàn ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀? Photographer ló yà. Let us fine, now the separation is a freedom. Ayé free, it is free. But mo fẹ́ kẹ́ rò ó bí mo ṣe lọ ń jókòó. Àwọn ọmọ wa ń bọ̀ lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Àwọn ọmọ wa ń bọ̀ lọ́jọ́ iwájú. Nǹkan tá a bá fi lélẹ̀ òun àwọn ọmọ yẹn máa bá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rò ó pé báwo ni ayé ìṣe máa rí in the next 10 and 20 years. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Thank you for having me.